singaw,
bacteria
Dr.
ba
Jim?
na kailangan antibiotics?
Well, sa singaw naman kasi, in medical terms, we call it aphthous ulcers, no, sa bibig usually. Singaw is most commonly caused by bacteria pa rin. No, bacteria, sometimes viruses, pero the most common cause is bacteria secondary to trauma. Normally naman kasi during our normal day, wear and tear, minsan sa pagsisipilyo, minsan nakainom ng medyo mainit na kape, napaso, minsan nakagat yung labi or nakagat yung pisngi, nagkakaroon ng sugat, no? And then yung sugat na yun, nagkakaroon ng infection. So once nagkaka-infect na siya, it causes the ulcers or yung singaw, no? Yung papayo ko naman sa ating mga nakikinig, no? If let's say for example sa bahay may singaw, what you can do first is start saline gargle. Just salt and water gargle. Gargle at least 4 times a day and brush your teeth at least 4 times a day. Proper oral hygiene after you eat breakfast, after lunch, after dinner, and before going to bed sa evening, no? If it persists or it's bothersome talaga, medyo mahirap siyang, hindi na nakakain kasi masakit talaga, that's the time you could use yung antibiotics, no, or oral creams na available sa pharmacy.
Ano yung mga oral creams like Sulcoceril?
Yeah, Sulcoceril is also good, or yung Dactarin cream. Pwede din siyang gamitin sa
Ang ginagamit ng kababayan natin, tawas kalamansi.
Actually, it has a role naman din.
May role
Especially for home remedies, yung tawas, it desiccates kasi, it dries it up. So kapag matuyo, less prone yung infection. Kasi if it's wet kasi, mas yung infection, mas minsan kumakalat. So if it's kept dry, mas mabilis ang healing time natin.
So pwede talaga lagyan ng tawas?
Yes, pwede naman. Although anecdotal, I've actually searched up kung yung role ng tawas. Meron, it actually desiccates. So, gumagaling naman din. Pero kung hindi gumagaling, then that's the time maybe we could try using yung oral gargle or yung mga
Dr. Jim, merong mga singaw talagang marami hanggang dito sa may lalamunan sa baba. Parang nafe-feel mo na pag may singaw ka sa labi, pati dito sa may lalamunan. Ano ba yun? May dalawa, tatlo?
Actually, it could be multiple ulcers, no? Or the most common thing is kung may singaw usually sa labi, ibig sabihin medyo mababa yung immune response natin or yung immunity, no? Minsan nagkakasabay yung tonsillitis, yung acute tonsillitis. So sometimes they would feel may singaw sila tapos masakit din lumunok. It's basically because of the tonsillitis.
So kailangan ng antibiotic dito o
yes, yes, definitely kailangan ng antibiotics.
Ilang araw ng antibiotic?
1 week, 7 days.